Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, today I am drawing another mermaid. Let's draw with me. I am coloring a colorful rainbow hair of mermaid. Let's color with me. First I am coloring its hair, yellow color. I am coloring its hair, pink color. Sky blue color. Dark green color. Orange color. I am coloring in flower, sky blue. Orange color. I am coloring in tail. Now I am coloring its chest with purple color. I am coloring its body with sky blue color. I have watched a mermaid cartoon. Now I am coloring the water drops sky blue color. A mermaid lives in sea. Now I am drawing a sea plant, sky blue color. Dark green color. I am coloring another side, dark green color. I am coloring in cheeks. Now I am coloring its face with the skin color and its body.